Hello again and welcome to Super Teacher channel. Today in the lesson 2.4 we are going to solve equations with variables on both sides, the left side and the right side. Let's start with question 1. Okay, question 1 we have 3d plus 8 equals 2d minus 17. We have both sides and both sides have what? Have the variable 3d and 2d, 2d on the right side and 3d on the left side. Now my job is to keep the numbers together and the variables together, but you have to take the number with the sign, also the variable with the sign, with its sign. Okay, now I cannot solve this question or this equation if I didn't keep the variables together and the numbers together. Okay, I'm going to take 2d to 3d and I'm going to take the 8 to 17 side or negative 17 side. I will switch between them, but whenever you switch between the numbers and the variables you have to take care of the signs, because whenever they will pass over the equal they will change the sign. Okay, so 3d, what will come to the 3d? It will come, the 2d will come to the 3d, but 2d is positive. Positive, when you will move the positive over the equal it will be negative, so it will be negative 3d equals, now we will have the other side. Now the 8, the plus 8 will move here, it will be negative 8, and the negative 17 already in its place, I didn't move it. Okay, now let's complete. Sorry, here it's 2d not 3d, sorry. Okay, 3d minus 2d equals 1d, but I'm not going to write 1d, just I write d only. Okay, d equal negative 18 with negative 17, negative and negative we add and the sign is negative, negative 25. This is the first equation. Okay, now let's complete question 2. Question 2 is negative t plus 5 equals t minus 19. The same thing, I will keep the variables together and the numbers together. The number for sure, negative 19 with 5. Okay, I will take this time the negative t to the t. Why I will move this negative t? I want to get rid of the negative, because when I will change it to the other side it will be positive, so it's better for me, it's easier for me. But also you can move this one, it's fine, but it will be easier because it will be with positive numbers. And I will take the negative 19 here, it will be also positive, so everything will be positive. This will be easier for me, so I will move this one here and this one here. Okay, the negative 19 will come instead of the negative t, it will be 19. Why it will be 19? Because the negative, when it will move over the equal, it will be positive, and we have already plus 5, I will not change it, equals. Now already we have t. What will come to the t? The negative t will move here, it will be positive t. Now let's complete 19 plus 5. Now I can add, because they are like terms, the number with the number and the variable with the variable. So 5 and 9, it will be 14, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2t and t equals 2t, right? Pencil and pencil, 2 pencils, right? Okay, now I will, until now I didn't finish because I have to keep the t alone. So I will here 2 times t. So what is the inverse of times? I will divide both sides by 2. So t equals 12. If you didn't watch the video of how to solve equations by multiplying or dividing, you can go back to the channel and check I think lesson 2.2 and 2.1 will be helpful for you. Okay, question 3, 2y plus 3 equal 3 bracket y plus 7. Okay, now I cannot do anything before I open the bracket. I have to open the bracket first. This one is the distributive property. This means you are going to multiply 3 by y and 3 by 7. Let's write the equation again. 2y plus 3 equals 3 by y will be 3y. 3 times 7 it will be 21. Now I can do the same thing of question 1 and question 2. Just I put lines under the like terms to move them. I want to see which one I have to move it to which one. Okay, this time also I will move the 2y here, and I'll bring the 21 here. Okay, so the 21 will come here. It's positive, so when I will change it, when I will take the other side, it will be negative 21, and already I have 3 equals 3y. I didn't change it. I will take the 2y here, it will be negative 2y. Okay, now negative 21 plus 3, positive and negative, we subtract and we put the sign of the big number. So 11 minus, here it will be 11, and this will be 1. 11 minus 3 equals what? Yes, equals 18. So it will be negative 18 equals 3y minus 2y. 3 pencils minus 2 pencils, it will be 1 pencil, which is y. Y equals negative 18. We're done. Okay, now the last question, question 5. Negative v plus 5 plus 6v equals 1 plus v plus 3. Here you will say, okay, we have too many v's. What I'm going to do, we have 3 v's, not only 2. It's fine, just even if you have 100 here, 100 v's here, and 100 v's here, your job is to keep the v on the one side only, the right side or the left side, and keep the numbers on the other side. Okay, so I will keep this negative v here. I will keep the 6v here. I will take the positive v, 5v to the other side, and I will keep the numbers on the right side. Okay, so I will take the variables to the left side and the numbers to the right side. So this one I will write it already, negative v, and already what will come instead of the plus 5, it will come the 5v will come here, so it will be negative 5v. Okay, and also I have plus 6v. I didn't change it, so I keep the sign the same, and I have on this side 1. Okay, what will come instead of 5v? It will come the 5 here, so it will be negative 5 plus 3. I didn't change it. So what I did only, I took the 5v here and I took the 5 to the other side. So this one will be negative and this one will be negative. Here negative and here negative. Okay, now let's see. Negative v minus 5v plus 6v. Negative v minus 5v, it will be negative 6v plus 6v equals 1 minus 5, it will be negative 4 plus 3, it will be negative 1. Okay. Negative 6v plus 6v equals 0. 0 equals negative 1. Is this right? No. So this question, this equation, there is no solution. I hope you this lesson is useful for you. My explanation is useful. If you like the explanation, please press like and share it with other students that it will be helpful for them. Thanks and bye bye.